new to my channel, you're welcome. This is Gabby of Garbie'Signature. On this channel, I do DIYs, makeup tutorials, fashion and lifestyle choices. But today, I'm going to be reviewing this hair from KMOUSLY Hair. They're also on Instagram as Clyde Beauty Hair, and on Amazon, they're the KMOUSLY store on Amazon. You want to go click the subscribe button right now just so you don't miss out on any of the review episodes that I've been onto lately. If you want to know more, kindly check my cheap Amazon favorites on my playlist. And girl, I got you. To my old subscribers, yeah. You guys got me to 1,000 subscribers and I'm super excited. Thank you guys for being so amazing. I love. I love and appreciate you all for all you do. Your comments, your likes, I see you all. And guess what? Watch to the end of the video so you know more about what I have to say. You know it's a review video. So apparently, me reviewing cheap Amazon favorites has become a thing on my channel and you guys love it. So I'm bringing you more and more Amazon favorites. Long straight honey blonde wig, 24 inches synthetic wig with headband attached, and they can be found on Amazon. They're $21.99. Yeah, we love the cheap favorite stuffs that look amazing. But before I get right into all of these add-ins, let me show you. So this is what it came in, and let's just take this out together. From the Amazon pack, it comes in this, and guess what? It's got a wig hat. They gave me the 3D KMOUSLY lashes, and it's got like 2 more extra headband wigs. It came in this turquoise blue color and this royal blue, lilac. You know, it's got some blue going on over here. And this is the hair coming out of the pack. So let's just unbox this together. It looks, I love the color. I think I'm beginning to, you know, love like browns and, you know, blondes and those good stuff. So it comes with this just to give it some body and frame. And let's check the insides of the cap. So it has the wig, headband wig. I just took that out. Then it's got 1, 2, 3, and 4 headband pins, and this is what it looks like. Ooh, come on guys, let's get into this. Like, I think I love the color. I love it. But let's see how it looks and if it looks good on me. You know, I'm gonna grab my brush and brush through it. Look at the silkiness. It literally looks like bone straight. So if you want to get some bone straight, I guess you should keep watching this video to know my, you know, real reaction and if I love the hair. So grabbing the hair like so, I'm just going to flip it all the way back, put it on my head. Starting with the pin behind, I'm going to stick it in carefully, and grabbing the one in front, I'm doing the same thing. Ooh, that hurt just a little bit. Ooh. I think it's because I've got braids on. So it's like digging into my braids. Oof. Okay. So that's, ooh, ouch. Wow. So guys, one thing you should learn is when you're sticking in the pins, you should be pretty careful. Taking the headband like so, I'm just gonna grab it and using the mesh at the back, I'm just gonna, you know, get it together like so. Nice and simple. So I'm just gonna grab this over here, bring it all the way forward, and you've got your Naomi Campbell vibes. Okay, I'm just brushing this out. It's pretty lightweight, like literally very lightweight. Oof. I think I'm getting some bone straight vibes. If you guys are especially to my Nigerian subscribers, there was a rave towards the end of 2020 and the beginning of 2021 about bone straight hair. Is this giving or is this giving? Like, check this out. I love it. I love the feel. Oh my goodness, it took me such a long time to actually review this hair. If you love this hair and you want to rock it for summer, winter, fall, for any season of the year, let's check this out. Ooh. I feel so sophisticated. Is it just me? Like, guys, check me out. What are you thinking? Let me know. Oh my goodness, this looks gorgeous. Like, It's just $21.99, literally $22. Maybe after tax $25. This is good. This is good. This is good. Check this out. I love the way the hair is, you know, just sleeping. Look. This is bone straight for cheap, and mind you, this is a synthetic hair. It really looks like it's human hair, but the feel is synthetic. Trust me about that. It didn't come in any cute packaging, so that's if you care about packaging. It didn't come in any cute packaging. But the truth is, girl, I look fabulous. No, this hair is amazing. Check it out. Check out the length. It's, I think, around 24 to 26 inches. I'm just gonna confirm. This is the long blonde honey 24 inches headband wig, and it's by KMOUSLY. And you guys want to go follow them, go check them out, go get this amazing cheap Amazon favorite. I'm gonna link it in my description box so that you guys just have like the straight link to get the hair. But check out my other Amazon favorite playlist on my channel, so just so you keep yourself updated with the Amazon favorites that I've been reviewing lately, and just so you get your coins, you know, save your coins and get amazing good hair. This hair is absolutely fabulous. The pros are everything. Like anything you need in a hair, just check it out. Check out the way it looks. It's flat, exactly like bone straight. It looks expensive. Like I feel so chic right now. And the good part is it's so cheap. It's $21.99. It's 24 inches. It's giving the vibe of baby girl. You want to be a baby girl, and I know that. So let's just get the baby girl vibe going on. This is just amazing. Like literally, I have no cons on this hair. Let me just say it's synthetic, but duh, it's $21.99. What did you expect? But with that kind of font, you get amazing quality. KMOUSLY, you guys outdid yourself on this. So we come to the end of this video. I hope you guys loved watching this. I absolutely loved creating this and reviewing this hair. If you love it, check the description box. And if you aren't subscribed to my channel yet, kindly click the subscribe button right now. Turn on the post notification bell. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Drop your comments in my comment section. If you have brands that you want me to work with or hairs you like me to review before you get it, I'm your girl. You know I would always give you the tea. And I'm just going to pick one of them and do just that. I don't mind swords here because we're saving our coins, okay? And I want you guys to spend your money wisely. That's one of the bases of me opening up this channel. I want you guys to have the highest fulfillment on anything you spend your coins on. So if you think these are the kind of things you'll love to watch, if you're not subscribed, go subscribe to my channel right now. Turn on your post notification bell because I'm going to be doing giveaways the months of July, August, and September. The way you're going to win this giveaway is by subscribing to my channel, by being a notification gang. And that literally means that whenever I upload new videos, you're one of the first people to comment. You share the videos, you tag your friends, you're following me on my Instagram page. Let's get into this hair. Like, I love this. It's amazing. Like, I feel gorgeous. Then just come into this face babe.